Today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2008 335i with upgraded 19T turbos. Right now the car is full bolt-on. We have 15-inch drag radials in the back, Mickey Thompson ET Street SS. The car, I got it about a year ago. It was a lot of fun, you know. I got it full bolt-on already, so it's kind of clapped out. But since then, I've done a lot of maintenance to the vehicle. So right now, the car is running cherry, no oil leaks, which is unusual for a BMW, obviously. All the maintenance is done. Transmission maintenance is done. It is an auto, the 6-speed. I just got the XHP Stage 3 flash for it. I might go custom on that, not too sure yet. I'm gonna keep filling it out and see how the transmission likes the power level right now. And then as far as cosmetics, nothing too crazy. Got the mirrors, got the wing, you know, upgraded headlights that are super yellow, need to replace them. M3 front bumper. You know, as far as cosmetics for in the future, need to do the headlights, need to do the hood soon. We'll be doing a video on that really soon. You know, the wheels, stock wheels pretty much. Well, not stock, but you know, the M wheels, I forgot what style they are. I think 359 or something like that. And then as far as exhaust goes, I am open dumped from the downpipes. So the turbos spool like crazy. You know, it sounds like a single turbo. And then as far as tune goes, I am tuned by CD919, custom tuned. Right now I'm only pushing 18 PSI. So, you know, it's on a very conservative tune. I should be making around 500 wheel horsepower right now where I sit at. That's just what I see other people pushing with these turbos and everything.
What about when you were at 21 PSI?
Yeah, I was at 22 PSI.
Or 22.
And, you know, that's usually around, from what I see everybody else pushing and stuff like that, and, you know, checking on data logging and zap data and all that. 550 to 556, it's what people push. Just depends on your motor. Seen even people push 570 on 22, but those are like factory freaks. I have no idea how people push that with stock stuff like that. But we got port injection for the car too. It's literally sitting at home right now. Got the AC1 controller for it. Just haven't installed it yet, just because I've been trying to work out some kinks. I just got these drag radials put on, so you know, I wanted to make sure that they were going fine and, you know, hooking up. The 15-inch conversion was a bastard, so if you're thinking about doing it, just be prepared. There's a lot of stuff that you run into. Yeah. Everybody on YouTube makes it look so simple, but it's really not.
Yeah, your brake caliper might fall off on the way down.
That was a problem. You know, maybe you can insert a video right here.
Out here changing tires. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn it on, dude.
Yeah.
This thing sounds like a fucking Cummins diesel or something. Alright guys, well, there's the beast. We're gonna take you guys for a spin now. Wish me luck.
The tune is insane, man. Like, I get like butterflies now, like fucking getting ready to drive it.
All right, here we go. Let's see if it's the hype. The hype is true. All right, we're in the fucking turbo diesel.
This just sounds like
Just joking, it's not turbo diesel. It's a modern day fucking 2JZ. You know, I never really knew the potential of these cars until my brother got one and fucking smoked my ass when I was NA, and I was like, damn. Yeah, the transmission seems smooth, dude.
It's very smooth. This shit is so much fucking fun. Oh my god. It feels like I'm driving a different car. Even the noises it makes is like different. It sounds like the motor's different. It's weird. Before it sounded like really draggy and like, I don't know. But like now everything's like really tight and fucking aggressive. Like it's fucking crazy.
Yeah. shifts fast.
Fucking shifts quick, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, it used to be so laggy, dude.
Yeah.
Even like the downshifts are putting.
Oh yeah, it's way faster.
Oh my god, it's way fucking better.
So who did you get tuned by for the transmission?
It's just the OTS, like custom tune.
OTS?
Yeah, just an off-the-shelf tune. But
Okay.
I might go with the Stupin. He's a really big tuner. Alright.
Fuck, dude.
Right.
This thing's fucking scary.
I didn't even expect that. I was like, yeah.
Damn, it doesn't slip at all anymore, huh?
No, it fucking switched fast, dude. That really surprised me. And that was my first time actually like punching it.
From the low gear, huh?
That was fucking ridiculous. No, it didn't spin at all. We didn't get any spin.
Yeah, that was crazy. No fucking spin. Jesus, man. This thing's a fucking rocket now.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try driving it?
Yeah, bro, I'll drive it.
Here, let's switch right here. Nobody's behind us.
Alright,
And I'll
guys.
record you.
It's my turn to drive the beast. Alright, guys. It's the first time I'm driving this car with the upgraded turbos. So, yeah. So we'll swing around and do a little video for you guys. A little pull. Why there's so many people out right now. This is crazy.
I know, it's a Thursday. I don't understand. Shifts pretty fast, huh?
Yeah, shit's really fast, dude. I'm surprised. Slip a U.
God, that fucking gave me prickly shit in the bottom of my feet.
Yeah, guys, not gonna lie. What can I say? What can I say? It feels like a spaceship, a full afterburner.
Oh, that was pretty good. I wasn't expecting that at all. That scared the shit out of me. Now I know what you mean. This shit gave me anxiety.
Yes. So you know, if you're kind of tired, just take her for a little rip.
That shit's like an adrenaline rush.
So let's just drive around cool now after we're making all that noise.
So what do you think of like the transmission shifting though?
It feels really fast.
It feels good. Like watch the downshifts, like downshifting it, like the blips. They're crazy, dude.
But I could tell honestly, like it's the best mod so far. Like when driving your car.
Is the tires?
It's honestly the tires.
Yeah, and the tires now that it actually hooks.
Like it drives like it inspires confidence. There we go.
Yeah.
That's the word. Before, like I would drive this car and I'm like, man, I don't know if
It's just scary.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it home after I get in the wheel of this car.
Yeah.
You feel like you're gonna die or like crash into a tree or something. It's like way too much power.
Yeah, for the wheels.
Yeah.
Those Michelins were not it.
Yeah, but these tires, man, these are the best.
And yeah, I can't wait to upgrade to the not the Mickeys, but the I can't even remember it now. They're better than even these ones.
Yeah, the transmission does shit fast, dude.
It's just pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, I almost feel like it's like you got like a new tune or something.
Yeah, huh? Like the car, but it changes. I guess it just changes the way like the engine and everything comes together.
Yeah, it feels like very smooth.
That's crazy.
It feels refined. That's the word I can tell you. It's refined.
Yeah, I'll probably keep this this for a while, just to where the power level I'm at now. But once I go up to 24, 25 psi, is when I'll probably do the custom, because yeah, it is rated up for 650, like I said.
The only thing that's like kind of like crazy about this car is like how freaking loud it is.
It's
like,
pretty loud, huh?
Yeah, you can't drive cool at all.
Well, if you row through the gears, you can. Like, watch, like right now when you start going, like start rowing through them.
Here's a quiet test. Here we go.
Like start rowing through them.
No.
Row. There you go. Now it'll go. It's because you weren't at it fast enough. You go again. There you go.
Yeah, it reminds me of like a turbo diesel.
It does.
It doesn't have drone. Like you let off and it's fine.
Yeah, and it's quieter.
Yeah, once you get going, it's good. But taking off, hell no.
That's really loud, huh?
But it does sound cool. It almost sounds like a big ass like single turbo or something.
Yeah, no, definitely.
It's exactly what it sounds like, single turbo.
Yeah, I need to adjust my my wastegates, because I never really adjusted them, and they're already starting to get a little bit of rattle. I need to adjust them.
Oh yeah.
Which is pretty easy. It's pretty easy.
Are you supposed to adjust them? Or?
Yeah, you're supposed to. I just never did.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you should probably do that. You don't want them going bad or some shit.
Yeah.
But that's pretty normal for your cars, right? Like the wastegate rattle?
No, it's not normal.
It's not?
Yeah, no, that's not a normal thing. But you're supposed to do it with these, and I just never did, because I just never did. I don't think I had the vacuum gun for it.
Yeah.
The vacuum gun was like $60, and I had to ship it, and I was just like, well, I'm just gonna throw them on. It was already too late. I just got impatient. I should have waited, but oh well. I could do it while they're on the car still. It's pretty easy to adjust them. Just gotta drop the downpipes, and then you can see everything. It's gonna be absolutely ridiculous.
That's gonna be scary, huh?
No, yeah, I'm actually really scared for that. I mean, the car's gonna be completely different. Jesus Christ.
No, dude. Bumps everywhere. Because of the rain.
No, yeah, it's gonna be completely different. I think the car is gonna be an absolute animal. Like, I always see like N54s on YouTube when they're like, you know, barely modified or whatever, and then they'll race like a C63, and the C63 will smoke it.
Yeah.
Or like something like that, you know what I mean? But like, if you turn it up to like 26, 27 PSI, you're pretty much beating almost anything out there. And if you turn it up to like 30 PSI, I mean, you're playing with fire. You better make sure your shit's running perfect. But at that point, like, I mean, you're beyond. You're pretty much beating like anything that's out there. And especially like if you take out the rear seats, take out your passenger seat, now you're just like, it's too much. It's too quick.
Yeah.
You always see like the videos of like upgraded turbo GTRs and, you know, full bolt-on GTRs running against my car, and then they get smoked. It's like, what?
Fast, man. Really fast.
I want to make it look pretty, but like every time I'm like, all right, I'm gonna buy headlights or I'm gonna buy a hood, I just do another engine mod or another like performance mod, and then I'm like, the downshifts are crazy, huh? Yeah. Doesn't it feel good?
Yeah,
because it's like very clicky.
It's just so loud. But I think it fits in very well. The loudness, there's the power to back up the loudness.
Yeah, no, it's not all just, you know, all bark, no bite.
And these loud ass cars are hella slow. But this one definitely has
crazy. I literally can't believe I'm only at 18 PSI. It's pretty wild.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching the video. Got some more videos coming our way. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll come back again on port injection, 700 wheel horsepower plus. So be ready for it. All right, guys. Late.